both socks are talking when only one voice is speaking.
What's he talking? I don't know. It wasn't funny. I definitely know that. Maybe we could try it with a little more humorous. Wait, humorous. That's the radius and ulna. We radiated around the ulna. That wasn't only funny once. Now we're back up to the humorous. That didn't even make sense to me. I've been walking outside today and I realized something. What's that? I realized. Get on with it. I decided to think. Oh, yeah, that happens to me too. So, you were walking outside. Yes. And. And, oh yes. Ow. I realized. I'm an idiot. Ow. 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 Wait, I know here. Ow. That was freaky Friday. Like they were thinking. I know, yo. Charlie Chaplin's other better. How are we talking? I have no idea. That was. What's the sound of one hand clapping? I don't know. Ow! No, with two hands. Oh, yeah. Wait, I started this joke. Don't steal it. Oh, sorry. I'm losing my head. Emily. Emily was my friend. Well, she got lost in the dryer. Well, that's what happens when you don't plot these things up, yo. I know. I should have put it on plotting graph. Then I would have graphed her back together. That's so funny. I'm in stitches. You. My gray matter's really small, so hey, it's not my fault I'm stupid. Most of it's down here, and we won't say what area that is, but you can figure it out. I'm really a head. But wait, we go on feet, so what does that make us? How are we talking at the same time? I don't know, I think she has no control over her hands. That would make sense, wouldn't it? Yeah. Uh-huh. Voila. Voila. Oh, so I was walking outside. Yeah? And I realized this sounds familiar. I know, but it wasn't funny the first time. So why are we repeating it? Because I'm on a loop. Oh, wait. Wait.
There's some serious love handles, too.
She does that! Ooh, that made it bigger. Well, donuts, yo. I'm Will. That happened to Emily, too. I think that's what the dryer likes. Big and flump. That's disgusting.
We morphed into slapstick into potty humor.
Stick.
No, barely.
Stick to the topic. Get it? Stick to the topic. That's that, folks. A blab, 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 blab. Wait. Wait, this is great. A blab, 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 blab. That's that, folks. Knit me together, I'm through.
Huh?
Knit me together, I'm through. The window. Kill it.